Hello, I'm Scott Rankin, a sales engineer with LifeSize. You've probably heard about our newest innovation, the LifeSize UVC platform, and how it greatly accelerates and simplifies the entire deployment process. In this short video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to deploy a product built on the UVC platform. First, let me give you a quick overview, and then I'll walk you through the trial and deployment process. Just 3 easy steps, and in less than 5 minutes. Step 1. If not already in place, install a virtualization solution such as VMware vSphere Hypervisor ESXi on your server. Available as a free download on the VMware website. Then simply download and install the UVC virtual machine available on the LifeSize website. Step 2. Deploying a UVC application takes just a few clicks. All UVC applications are fully enabled for trial within the UVC platform. Step 3. Unlike some companies that offer watered-down trials and restricted access, the UVC platform trial gives unlimited access to the full range of feature-rich options, including Enterprise Edition, where available. And it's fast and easy. After the trial, if customers like what they see, and we think that they will, they can simply purchase the UVC license and continue to use the UVC applications, and then add capacity when needed. Gone are the days of complicated and time-consuming trials and deployments. Stick around, and I'll show you just how easy it is to get up and running. I'm going to demonstrate how quickly you can deploy the LifeSize UVC platform. So right now, I'm logged into vSphere Client for VMware, and I'm going to deploy the UVC platform virtual machine. So to do that, I'm going to click on File. I'm going to select Deploy OVF Template, and I'm going to browse to the OVA file for the LifeSize UVC platform. And this is a standard container for virtual machines. So I'll select that file, click Open, I'm going to click Next. We'll select the template details. We'll accept the end user license agreement. The default name is fine. We'll select the data store on the ESXi server that we want to deploy UVC to. We'll select thick provision format. In this case, we're going to go with the private network, and we'll click Finish. So at this stage, we're moving that .ova file, the self-contained virtual machine, from my PC to the ESXi server. And this will take just a few minutes. Okay, so we've completed the deployment of the OVA, so we'll click Close. Now it's time to power up the virtual machine. So we'll select LifeSize UVC, power on. We'll just give that a few seconds. And we'll go over to the console so we can watch LifeSize UVC boot. Okay, so the boot process is complete. Let's log in with the default username and password to do the initial configuration. Okay, so what we want to do is assign an IP address to the UVC platform itself. And from that point forward, we'll complete the rest of the configuration via a web browser. So I'm going to type network help so we can see the syntax for the command. Okay, so we'll assign a static IP. Network set 0. I'm going to do a static IP address. Subnet mask. And we're done. So we set an IP address, and from this point forward, we're going to complete the rest of the configuration through a browser. So we'll open up my web browser, and we're going to browse to that same IP. So we'll log in, again, with the same default username and password that we used on the console. And we're in the console page for the LifeSize UVC platform. So you see the platform includes a number of different applications. There's Transit Server, Video Center, Transit Client, and Access, which is our new Gatekeeper application. So we've got a couple housekeeping items to take care of first. We want to, first of all, set up DNS. We'll need that to access the licensing server. So let's go to System Settings. We'll go to DNS, and we'll provide a DNS server. Secondly, we're going to add a second IP address, and this will be for the application we're going to enable. In this case, LifeSize Video Center. So let's click Edit. We'll add an address. So we'll go with 10.64 to 15.37. The rest of these fields will autocomplete, and we'll apply that change. Okay, so now we're ready to obtain a trial license. So we'll click on Licenses. We're going to activate a new product. We have an internet connection in this case, so we'll select Internet. And then we're going to provide login credentials for the licensing server. These would be the same credentials you'd use for software.lifesize.com, the website you'd normally obtain software updates or trial software for LifeSize. So you already have an account created on there. You'll use the same credentials here. So we'll log in. We'll select the product that we want to activate. So in this case, Video Center. We want a trial license, and we'll click Activate. So we've obtained a new trial license for the UVC Video Center application. We have the Enterprise Edition in terms of a trial. So that license has been obtained. Lastly, what we need to do is enable Video Center on UVC. So we'll click to Operations and Maintenance, look at our applications that are enabled, and we'll click Edit. We want to enable a new application, so we're going to click Video Center, and we'll select an IP address that we want to assign from Video Center. And in this case, we're going to use .37, our second IP that we added. We'll enable. We'll wait for the page to reload. This will just take a few seconds. And we're done. We're ready to do configuration specific to Video Center and start using that trial. So thanks for watching, and happy trials with the UVC platform.